Hello and welcome everyone to my channel, Tech Treatment. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a very nice smart lock and how to easily install it and add some technology and improvement to your front door. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Here's my new smart lock. It's by Lockly. It's the Secure Pro Latch Edition. It's quite unbelievable of how much technology we could have right at our front door. And if you guys also want to check out this product, I will have a link down below in my description box in case you guys also want to add some new tech to your front door. So now without wasting any time, I'm going to unbox this and share with you guys on how to remove this old non-technology simple lock and change it into something elegant and beautiful like this. So let's get started. So I'm going to start off by removing my original lock, and to do that we're going to remove these two screws. As well as the two screws inside. So before you guys start on this DIY, make sure you read through the installation manual because there's a lot of different screws and a lot of different holes that need to be covered, and all the screws are labeled out as shown with the diagram. And you also are going to get two different sizes of these. One is a 60mm, one is a 70mm. And as shown in the manual, you have to measure from the center hole of the door to the edge of the door and see what the size is, and depending on that you're going to be using either the 60mm, which is the F1, or the 70mm, which is the F2. So now that I have everything out of the way, we are ready to install. For my door, I'm going to be using the F1. So we're going to start off by installing our new latch. We're going to insert it right into place. I'm going to install the spindle with the locking pin into our new latch. So that's how the spindle and the locking pin gets installed. And with the screwdriver, I'm going to open up this locking pin so it keeps our spindle secure. So now grab your mounting plate and make sure you have it in the correct direction. It says up and down. And we're going to insert the wire that's coming from the other side, put it through the spindle and push it into place. So as you guys are seeing on my mounting plate, there are 3 O's, and again this designates which screw goes where. So I'm going to install all 3 of the O screws into place, and just make sure you hand tight them for right now because there's some double-sided tape that we have to remove before finalizing the install. And this is why I was saying to hand tight it, because right behind we have some plastic that we have to remove to reveal the double-sided tape, and same thing on the other side. So now with the protective layer removed, we're going to completely push it into place, and it's firmly aligned, and I'm going to do the same on the other side. And now we could completely secure all 3 of those screws. Now connect the wiring, it goes in only one way, and then remove the plastic battery cover, and that's going to reveal 1 screw right on top. We're going to tuck the wire inside and then install the inside latch into the spindle. And now I'm going to install the 3 P screws, 1 on top and 2 on the bottom. Now install the 4 included AA batteries and then close the plastic battery cover. The last step before setting up our smartphone with the app is to install these hubs that are included. And the best place to connect this hub is the closest socket to the front door. So here's my Lockly Secure Pro installed on my front door, and this is how it looks. And I gotta say, with this brushed finish, it really looks great. And some of the great features on it is that we got fingerprint scanner. We got a touch screen, and you could input your code through this. And the great thing about this touchscreen and the pin system is basically the numbers change around. So even if someone's lurking behind you, they won't be able to tell what's your exact pin code, because every time the screen does change, so no one's going to have any idea of what your pin code is. But once you enter it, you can get in, and then you can also go old school. You can open it with the key. And then there's a few other ways to get in as well with your phone, whether it be an iPhone or an Android. And once you have that set up, there's also additional ways you could get in, and also you could find out if the door's open or locked before you leave the house. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on the Lockly Secure Pro. And if you guys did, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you guys want to see more tech related videos, please subscribe to my channel, Tech Treatment, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.